Everyone thinks the best-selling muscle recovery supplement is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Muscle Tech HMB Supplements. First up is the Muscle Tech HMB Supplements. Priced at $24.99, this caught my attention because it claims to significantly reduce muscle breakdown. If you want to preserve your gains and enhance recovery, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Muscle Tech's HMB is designed to increase protein synthesis by a whopping 70% and decrease muscle breakdown by 58%. That means you're holding onto your hard-earned muscle even after intense workouts. In clinical studies, users gain an average of 16.3 pounds of lean muscle in just 12 weeks compared to a placebo group. The fast-acting liquid pill formulation is absorbed 97% better than standard HMB, so you're getting results quicker. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit high for a supplement, but here's the thing. If you're serious about your fitness goals and want to maximize your results, investing in a quality product like this can really pay off. This is perfect for you if you're an athlete or someone who trains hard and wants to see real results. Skip this one if you prefer tastier forms of recovery supplements, as it's just a pill. Now, if the price of Muscle Tech's HMB bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Stend BCA Powder. Next, we have Stend Original BCA Powder, which retails for about $24.74. This product caught my eye because it's the world's #1 BCA brand. If you want faster muscle recovery and hydration, this is definitely worth considering. With 7 grams of BCAAs in a proven 2-to-1-to-1 ratio, Stend is designed to support muscle repair and reduce soreness. It's not just about recovery. The electrolytes included help keep you hydrated during those long workouts, which is critical for performance. Plus, it's sugar-free and comes in a tasty watermelon flavor that mixes easily. However, some users mentioned that they found the taste too sweet. But honestly, with all the benefits it brings for recovery and hydration, I think it's a small price to pay for getting your muscles back on track after heavy training. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a delicious way to support muscle recovery and hydration. Skip this one if you dislike sweet flavors in your workout drinks. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who struggle with sleep and recovery. Product number 3. OLOY Muscle Recovery Sleep Gummies. Now, let's talk about OLOY Muscle Recovery Sleep Gummies, priced at just $13.99. I was intrigued by the idea of combining muscle recovery with sleep support. If you want to improve your sleep while also aiding recovery, this is worth checking out. These gummies deliver 3 milligrams of melatonin per serving, which helps you fall asleep faster and supports a healthy sleep cycle. Plus, they include tart cherry extract and vitamin D, both known for their recovery benefits. After a tough workout, there's nothing better than getting quality sleep to repair your muscles. And let's face it, who doesn't love a tasty gummy over a pill? Some users found a melatonin dosage too low, which could be frustrating if you have trouble sleeping. But here's the thing, they're a good option for those who prefer a gentler sleep aid rather than something heavy. This is perfect for you if you want a delicious way to support your sleep and muscle recovery. Skip this one if you're looking for a more potent sleep aid or dislike gummies. Alright, if a gummy isn't your style, the next product may be more your speed. Product number 4, BSN Amino X. Up next is BSN Amino X Muscle Recovery and Endurance Powder, priced at $19.99. What caught my attention here is that it offers 10 grams of amino acids per serving. If you want to push harder during training and speed up recovery, this is a great option. This powder is formulated to help support muscle recovery after exercise, thanks to its amino acid blend. It's also keto-friendly and caffeine-free, which means you can take it anytime without worrying about jitters. Plus, it mixes easily without clumping, which is always a win in my book. However, some users reported that the fruit punch flavor was a bit too artificial for their taste. But I'll be real with you. If you're focused on performance and recovery, the benefits can outweigh the flavor concerns. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, effective recovery supplement without any added sugar. Skip this one if you prefer natural flavors in your drinks. Now, if you're looking for something a little more focused on pure recovery, our final product might just be the one for you. Product number 5, Muscle Tech Glutamine Powder. Finally, we have Muscle Tech Glutamine Powder, which is priced at $16.99. This caught my attention because it's all about pure recovery. If you want to replenish what your body loses during intense exercise, this is definitely worth a look. Each serving contains 5 grams of pure L-glutamine, an essential amino acid that supports your body's recovery process. It's unflavored, which means you can easily mix it into your favorite beverage without altering the taste. Glutamine makes up a large percentage of your body's amino acids, so replenishing it post-workout is crucial for recovery. Some users have pointed out that the unflavored nature can be boring. But honestly, if you're serious about recovery and want something that mixes well with anything, this isn't really a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a pure and effective way to support recovery after workouts. Skip this one if you need something with flavor or prefer a more complex supplement. To wrap it up, each of these products brings something unique to the table, whether it's muscle preservation, faster recovery, sleep support, or pure glutamine. No matter what your recovery needs are, there's something here for you. So, after looking at these top 5 muscle recovery supplements, you've got a range of options to support your fitness journey. From Muscle Tech's powerful HMB to the convenience of OLLY sleep gummies, the best choice really depends on your individual needs and preferences. Make sure to pick the one that aligns with your goals, and you'll be well on your way to faster recovery and better performance.